All right. So this is the tutorial on how to properly install your mod config files for better invites so you can be automatically joining when people send you invites. So I'm going to walk you guys through this step by step. All I did was install the mod, and my mod config folder is completely empty right now. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get this all set up. So step one, we're going to just open Trove, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when my mod config file, like my folder is completely empty. So we are loading up Trove right now. All right. We are in Trove, right? So if I go into my, mods, I have the, I just want to make sure they're enabled. Because I did install them. So they should be here. All right, there we go. We got mod settings companion enabled. Good. And I probably scrolled past it. Better invites, probably at the top. Better. There we go. So we got mod settings companion enabled, right? And we got better invites configurable also enabled. So that's the first thing you want to check is just make sure your mods are enabled. All right. And now, because you have that mod enabled, when you click settings, your settings menu is going to look different. And if you go to mod settings, this is new, right? And if you go to like better invites, there we go. By default, it's going to auto decline all invites that you're getting. So let's say I want to auto accept, or that's friend requests, yeah. Auto accept the friend requests, right? And like auto accept the invites. There you go. And I hit accept here. Now I go back in my settings. And they just went back to default. And this is what's going to happen if you don't have the config file, is they're not going to save. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you step by step just to make sure this isn't happening, right? So first things first, we're going to hit the Windows button and then click R on your keyboard. That makes this pop up. You're going to type %, app data %. You're going to hit OK. Then you're going to scroll down. This is your roaming folder, right? You're going to scroll down to Trove. You're going to go in there. You're going to go in mod configs, right? Mod CFGS. If this folder, so when you go into Trove, if this mod CFGS isn't here, you need to make the folder and make it just like this. Same case sensitive. Mod with a capital M, CFGS with a capital C. Now you're going to go in this folder. You're going to make a new text document. We're going to go into this text document. We're going to open this up. We are going to, I'm going to put this all in the description. So this right here is going to be in the description. For the better invites configurable, you need this right here. Just, that's all you need. And then you save as. You're going to get this, copy it exactly how it is. .cfg, it's config file, and hit all files, and then hit save. There you go. Now let's see if that was saved. Yes, it should look just like that. All right, perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to click on this new text document. I'm just going to open up a new one for us. We're going to get this message here, this little, just exactly how it is right there. Get it just like that. grab the name of this mod as well. Same exact process. We're going to save as .cfg. It's a CFG file. All files. And then save it. And we're going to exit out of that. And I'm going to minimize this. And you can just get rid of this new text document here. We won't need that anymore. All right, I'm going to minimize this, and we're going to boot up Trove and see if it worked. If it worked, we should be able to go and change our settings. And then when we go back to the settings menu, everything should stay just how it is. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to mod settings. We're going to go to the better invites. We're going to auto accept friend requests, auto accept invites to when people send us invites. Let's say only want my friend Pyaanda. I only want to accept his invites. We're going to type Pyaanda in this field. Let's say I want to accept Pyaanda and his friend Quibage. We're going to put a comma, a space, and then type his name. There you go. So let's hit accept. Let's see if it saves. It did in fact save. So we are all good. We're all good here. Right? Now, if Pyaanda or Quibage sends me an invite, I will automatically join them when they send me the invite. And this can be very helpful for if you're doing a 5-star farm and, you know, Pyaanda's the host and you don't want someone to take you away from the 5-star farm. So you only want to accept his invites. So you do that, right? Now, if you are using any of these other mods here, like let's say Symbols Chat Mod, you are going to need to go make a config file like we did for those other mods. I will leave the text that you use for, I don't use all of these, but the ones I do use, I will leave the text for those as well in case, you know, I like the Symbols Chat Mod, right? But to my knowledge, if I go in here and click like no, I don't think it'll save because we don't have the config file. So whispers tab, no. And then it saves here, but I don't think it'll save in here. Yeah. So when you restart your game, it won't save, right? Which is why you need these config files, because either every time you change world or every time you restart your game, you want that stuff to save. So, like, if I restart here, let's just make sure, right? Like, if I restart here, we want to make sure that the better, you know, invites and the mod configs save. So let's restart our game and see if everything's saved. Okay, better invites. Did save. Symbols Chat Mod. Looks like it saved, but I don't know. I'd have to have someone whisper me. But yeah, I mean that's really all there is to it. It's that easy. You install the mods and then just do that small little you do that little thing with the text documents, right? And then you're good. And yeah, these are saved in here. And I use these mods. I will leave all of the text you need in the description for all the ones I use. All right, I hope this was helpful, and you know, good luck with your 5-star farms and whatever else you are using this for. Bye.